Hello guys, it's Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today's Friday, May 21st, and here's an inventory update for you. Man, it's getting bleak. These are our cross sports right here. This is an SEL Premium R-Line in black. SEL Premium R-Line in black. SE Tech R-Line in black with two-tone dark beige seats. SEL Premium R-Line in black. SEL Premium R-Line in black. There's a theme. This is an SEL in platinum gray in a turbo. This is an SE with tech, no roof. Here's an SEL Premium Atlas in black with Shetland beige interior mixed in at a cross sports. This is a cross sport S, and this is a sold front wheel drive SEL R-Line. That's it for cross sports. The Atlases are even worse. These Atlases, plus 8 of them up front, are pretty much it. That's an SEL. That is an SEL. That's an SEL R-Line in gray, front wheel drive. This one here, this is an SE Tech. This is an SE Tech. That's it. Guys, it's getting bad. I don't understand when this is going to get better, but I don't think it's going to get better soon. Tiguans. We sold through 60 of these. We're down to this. All of our gray SER lines are gone. We have one white SER line left, but we have a bunch of black ones left still. We have about 10 of the black ones. Tiguans. Getting low as well. Jettas. The plant hasn't produced Jettas in 4 weeks. These are all the Jettas I have. That's it. Right there. Couple Tiguans mixed in. Here's a look at the Tiguan row. If you're seeing a theme, black, white, gray, and silver, pretty much all the colors we get. Black, white, gray, and silver. Passats. Black, white, gray, and silver. No blues, no reds, no other colors. There's a look, guys. We're close to just 100 cars now. There's an Arteon, SEL R-Line, front wheel drive. So I do have an Arteon. I do have Arteons coming. I'm going to have a total of 7 more Arteons. But that's it. They were already coming. So if you're interested in one of the cars I have, give me a call, 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good night.